In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through enabling discounts, deposits, and tips so they appear on your sales forms like invoices and sales receipts. These options help you present clear, professional documents to customers and capture important details right at the time of sale. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the upper right corner for the small gear icon. This is the settings icon. Click it to open the main settings menu. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is where you manage company-wide preferences that control how your book and forms behave. On the left side of the Account and Settings window, select the Sales tab. This tab groups everything related to how your sales forms look and function. Within Sales, find the section labeled Sales Form Content and click it to expand the available options. This panel controls the fields that appear on your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. First, turn on Discount. When this is enabled, a discount field appears on your sales forms so you can reduce a line or the entire subtotal by either a percentage or a flat amount. This is ideal for promotions, loyalty adjustments, or negotiated pricing. Turning it on here ensures your team has a consistent place to apply discounts and that those reductions are captured accurately in your records. Next, turn on Deposit. This adds a deposit or upfront payment field to your sales forms. Use it when you collect retainers or partial payments before delivering goods or services. Recording deposits on the form helps keep your accounts accurate by clearly separating what's been collected now from what remains due later, reducing confusion for both you and your customer. Then turn on Accept Tips. This adds a tip line customers can use to add gratuity when they pay. It's helpful for service-based businesses and any situation where customers may want to show appreciation. Keep in mind, how tips are handled can affect payroll and reporting, so it's good to be consistent in how your team records and distributes them. After you've turned on the options you want, click Save within the Sales Form Content section to commit your changes. Saving here ensures the toggles you just set are applied to your forms going forward. When you're finished, click Done to close Account and Settings and return to your dashboard. That's it. Your sales forms will now include the fields you enabled, helping you capture discounts, deposits, and tips right at the point of sale. You can revisit these settings anytime if your business needs change.